Hi TPS, welcome back to my channel Code Master Lab. In this video, we are going to see about email masking. This is not an inbuilt method in CodeIgniter 4. We will write the logic and then we will create a function. If you know about strings betterly, how to handle them and all, then it's not required to see this video. You can skip this video and you can go with the next video. Else, if you want to understand about this string, you want to know the basics of string, how to use and all, so check this video completely. So we'll write Code Master Lab, any email ID a user enters, we'll write it out and then we will split that. Okay, how to split? To split, we'll write explode. Explode is a keyword which is used to split. It takes a character, which character to be exploded, and a string. So string will be your text. Okay, so now if you see, if you print this, you will get the value in array which contains two things, this part and this part. Okay, so I'll just resize it. Perfect, you got this. Now what we will do, we will take the first part and we'll find the length. We'll have a length which will be your like strlen, string length of your split first part. Split of first part, you will get the length of that, this complete thing you will get a length. Okay, now what we'll do, we will display few letters. How to display a few letters, and few letters need to be hidden. So how to get that? We need to get a substring. So for that we'll write as substring is equal to, we'll have a keyword of substring substr. So substring, I'll show you what does it take. It takes the complete string and how many characters you need. Okay, from which character to which character you need, that is also you can mention it out. So we will take the substring of this thing, this should be 0, substring from here to which value, from 0 position to which value you require. So we need to generate some random. I will create here itself. You have a random value from 3 to this thing. I will be taking length of the string. So I will be just writing this substring. Now if you write this substring, you will get this substring. Okay, so it is not dollar, you got COD, first 3 characters, you got entire characters. Okay, COD MASTR master labs. You can give it as length to be -1 as well, per say parent. It's up to you how much length you want and all. So that's how you get a substring. Now we have one more masked email. We will now generate our masked email. You have a keyword called str string pad. What does this take? I'll show you this as well. Let me close this. String pad usually takes the string, how many positions you want this string to be filled, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 you have, 20 you want. So for that you need 6 more extra. What to be filled, you need to mention it over here. So you got dots over here. Okay, so that's how you need to create it. Here also we'll use this. We need this substring. So till how much you need your string, we need till your string length. What would be the string length? That's what we need it. And what you need to fill it out, you need to give third parameter. So it takes 3 parameters. So here we will fill it with star. Okay, single star. Then we will concatenate it with the @ and then we will concatenate it with split last word. That's it. And this will be your masked email, and it is completely randomly generated. The masking will be completely random. Now if I want the original email ID to be also printed, the original text to be printed, let me concatenate it with new line. You can compare both the email ID. Here you have it is from master 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You got 7 stars as well here as well. So that's how you can generate a random masked email. Okay, so masking, it is not fixed to 5 characters or 6 characters. Randomly the number is generated and that's masking is done. So now if you want this thing to be what we call, I'll write it as email. Here also I'll just change it to email. If I want this to be displayed in our masked email, then what we will do, we will go to our code igniter controller. Okay, in your view page, basically you can do these all things in your view page, or I have told you db trait. So in this you can create a function, then you can use it out. So however you want, you can use it out. That should not be a problem. But this is how you can mask any of the email in your PHP. That's all for this video. Hope you have understood about the strings concept. Basically what is rand, what is explode, what will be a string length, how to calculate a string length, what is string pad, substrings and all. So that was the main motto to create this video. If you have liked this video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification to get latest updates from me on Code Igniter for PHP tutorials. See you in my next video.